Hi friends, Lulu here. I want to show you ECR4Kids Folding Step Stool. Made from eco-friendly and sustainable rubber wood, it is a safe and stylish solution to traditional metal or plastic folding step stools. At 8 inches high, it's a perfect step up to grab whatever's just out of reach, or a small seat for kids. For extra support, the non-slip traction pads can be applied. No tools are required for assembly. Simply open it up to use. Adult operation is required for safety. This stool has heavy-duty hinges, and it folds for easy storage. It's perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, kids' rooms too. At ECR4Kids, our mission is to provide both the highest quality products and the peace of mind that comes with them. We are committed to safety, testing, and regulatory compliance to ensure our products meet or exceed industry standards. We believe you and your kids deserve the absolute best for a brighter way to play, share, learn, and grow.